What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Wealth Hack Wednesday. And this is one, gosh, I mean, there are so many wealth hack strategies that you can implement, but this is one that I just love. Like, there's just so much to love about this one. So if you've checked out some of my other videos, I'm all about credit cards. Like, I love using the points. Like, I'm not like a major travel hack or anything. I've got a good friend of mine who has, oh my gosh, I think he's used like 20 cards at one time. And him and his family travel all the time. And I mean travel all the time. And they don't pay for anything. We're talking airfare, we're talking hotels and cars, and it's just amazing. But I know for many of you, like, it's a lot, right? Like, that's trying to manage 20 credit cards, just blah, that would just blow my mind. So what we have, we have all Chase cards. Southwest is by far the one that we use the most, because anytime that we're traveling, we gotta fly, I've got the companion pass. My wife is also qualified for the companion pass at times. And we've been able to, I can't remember the last time we actually paid for a flight. But this is the hack that I love, especially if you are a business owner, especially if you are an online business owner. So I'm in a few different mastermind groups, and this was just through a Voxer chat group that I'm in. And if you don't know what Voxer is, check it out. It's an amazing app. It allows you to communicate with different people. So in this Voxer group, we're talking about points and rewards and all that stuff. And there are a few cards. I think there's a Chase card, there's an Amex card that basically will give you 3 times the points, so 3x points, if you use it for advertising. Now, for many, traditional business owners, like, how much are you really spending on newspaper ads or mailers or radio spots? Like, there could be an ad budget there. But in the online space, so let's say that you are spending money on Facebook ads or YouTube ads, and you're getting 3x the points, so 3 times the points on all your ad spend. That's pretty sick. So let's just kind of break this down real quick, right? Now, you have to get to a point where you've got a product, you've got a service, you've got something that you can promote and make money on. So if you have that, and then you figure out the Facebook ad, the tip, the secret, the strategy, how to actually implement that right to where every dollar that you're spending, you're making some money in return. Now, it takes a while to get to that point, but if you get to that point where, let's say, every dollar that you spend, you're making $1 back, like, that's good return. Let's say that you perfect it even more, and for every dollar that you spend, you're getting $2 back. Like, that's pretty phenomenal. So now let's just go ahead and put a bow on this for the whole wealth hack. So you've got your online business set up, you've got your product, you're spending on Facebook ads, and every dollar you spend, you're getting X return. And here's the best part. You run all that ad spend on your credit card that gives you 3 times the points. Do you see where I'm going with this? Do you see where I'm going with this? And it was just kind of this epiphany. And like, I don't do a lot of ad spend right now. So most of ours is just, all the different business expenses. So we run all that through there, all our personal expenses, and we get the Chase points so we can transfer those over. But in 2019, like, I will be utilizing Facebook ads, YouTube ads this year. So guess what card I'm going to use to get the 3x points? And the other friend that has one business card, and he runs all his business expenses through this one card, but then all his online advertising, everything goes to this one specific card to get the 3x points, and then you can merge them all together. So it's just a beautiful thing. There's a lot of financial gurus out there that don't like credit cards, and they just want to mess with it, and they'll say, well, if you have a credit card, you're gonna spend more, which I'm sure there's a lot of science or research that backs that up. But if you're a business owner and you know what you're doing and you're smart and you're savvy, like, this is how you hack your wealth. This is how you take advantage of all these different means that you have and use it to your advantage, instead of just saying, oh no, I don't want to use credit cards. Like, credit cards are evil, they're the devil. All I'm saying is that get educated. Make sure that you understand what's out there. What are the limitations? What are, some of the stumbling blocks that you could run into? But then what are the benefits that you're not maximizing? And this is one in a perfect situation. If you've got the online business, you've got the product, you got the service to offer, and you're doing ad spend, that's how you hack your wealth. All right, I hope you enjoyed this Wealth Hack Wednesday tip, reminding you that it is your money, it's your life, and only you can make it awesome. Until next time, y'all, peace.